In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Instagram Reels Friends tab not showing. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is update your Instagram app. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Now go ahead and search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. After you do this, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is launch your Instagram. Navigate to the profile page, click on three bars. Now scroll down. Navigate to the option Activity in Friends tab. Click on that. Make sure you have enabled this option. Set it to followers you follow back. Now I can head back, scroll all the way down, click on the option Help, click on the option Report a Problem, click on Report Problem Without Checking, click on Don't Include. Now here you will need to explain in detail about the issue and send it. Instagram support team will get back to you, and that's it. With these solutions, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.